And I believe God has brought us together for such a time as this, and allowing us this opportunity to share about Nehemiah. And just want to encourage you in the work that you all do collectively and also individually. God is using his people to make a difference. And I'm grateful to be a part of what you're doing, as well as the ministry of Nehemiah. We picked the word Nehemiah, I believe, in my heart from the Lord, because he was rebuilding the walls of Jerusalem.
Yes.
God told me, you're rebuilding the lives of young people.
Wow.